We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. In short, it has always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.